Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. Today we are going to talk about starting a YouTube channel for 2020. I've been getting a ton of questions about this as we are going into the new year and a lot of people want to diversify and add another stream of income, which I completely understand. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips to get monetized fast on YouTube and some things that you can kind of do to speed up the review process, and I'm also going to talk about Google Adsense a little bit. So let's get into my tips. The first tip I have for you to getting monetized fast on YouTube is to post consistently. I'm not saying you have to post every single day, but you have to figure out a schedule for yourself and you have to start uploading videos regularly. You can't just upload one video every 6 months and expect to blow up on YouTube. It just doesn't happen that way. Maybe, you know, once in a blue moon, somebody will get lucky and go viral, as they talk about. But for the most part, you have to get used to being a creator and to, you know, create a content calendar for yourself. Write down video ideas. Keep a notebook with you and write down ideas and make a schedule for yourself. Make a filming schedule for yourself so that you can, you know, be creating content on a regular basis and so that you can upload content on a regular basis. My next tip for you is to go ahead and get approved for Google Adsense. This is the program that actually pays you for placing ads on your videos on YouTube. If you have a blog or a website or something like that that you have ads on, you probably already have a Google Adsense account that you can use also for YouTube. But if you go ahead and you get approved for Google Adsense, when you get to the point of actually monetizing your channel, this will actually really speed up the process as you will already have your Adsense account set up and connected to your YouTube account, so you won't have to wait for that process to be complete in addition to waiting on YouTube to approve your channel for monetization. My third tip for you is to make videos that are longer than 10 minutes. Now, I'm not saying go and make a ton of videos that are an hour long or even 30 minutes long. You want to kind of stick to between like 10 to 20 minutes. People have very short attention spans, and something you also need to worry about on YouTube is your audience retention. So you don't want to make your videos too long to where people start to drop off of your videos. You want to aim for that 10-minute mark. And the reason I'm saying 10 minutes is because to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have a total of 4,000 watch hours within the previous 12 months. So in order to get to those 4,000 watch hours, you need to make longer videos. The longer your videos are, the faster you will get to those 4,000 watch hours. You also have to have 1,000 subscribers. So you have to be worried about, you know, making videos consistently that are long enough to where you can start accumulating these watch hours to hit that threshold to allow YouTube to monetize your channel. Also, when you do get monetized on YouTube, if your video is longer than 10 minutes, you can actually add more advertisements to your video, which is going to allow you to make more money on YouTube. If you reach that 10-minute threshold, you can actually go in and put ads in the middle of your videos to earn more revenue. My fourth tip for you is to make searchable content. I cannot stress this enough. You need to be making videos that people are searching for. YouTube is a search engine and it's owned by Google, which is the largest search engine in the world. So you have to be making videos that are going to teach people something or add value to something, things that people actually want to watch. So if you start out and you are making vlogs on YouTube and no one knows who you are more than likely not going to get views because nobody is searching for your vlogs or your day in the life when they have no idea who you are. Those types of videos are good for people who already have an established audience, and then they can go into making videos about their personal lives, vlogs, day in the lives, things like that. But if you are just starting out, you really want to make videos that people can search for. Next tip for you is to market your videos to anyone that you can. Post them on Instagram, post them on Twitter, send them to your friends and family, you know, tag people, get them to watch them. You want to be getting every single view you can on YouTube, especially when you are first starting out. So you need to post your videos literally everywhere you can so that you can start adding up to those 4,000 watch hours. Remember, you have to hit those 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. It's not lifetime, it's literally within the previous 365 days. So that has to be something that you are aiming towards and that you're consciously thinking about, which is why you have to be consistent with posting your YouTube videos. And the more consistent you are with all of these tips that I just gave you, the faster you will get monetized on YouTube. You really have to go into it thinking of it like a business, and you have to put a lot of effort into what you are doing and creating your videos and creating quality content that people want to watch, and you will be well on your way to establishing YouTube as another stream of income for yourself. So if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.